Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're talking about NixOS, a Linux distribution that's completely different from the rest. If you've ever struggled with system stability or messy package installs, this one might change your mind about Linux. What it is. NixOS is an open-source Linux distribution built around the Nix package manager. Its main goal is to make your system configuration fully reproducible and easy to roll back if something breaks. How it works. Instead of installing software the traditional way, NixOS uses a declarative configuration file that defines your entire system, from installed packages to services and settings. When you update or change something, it creates a new system generation. If the update causes issues, you can simply roll back to the previous working state with one command. This approach also allows multiple versions of the same software to coexist without conflicts. Who it's for. NixOS is perfect for developers, system administrators, and Linux power users who want a predictable, easily reproducible environment. It's also great for anyone who likes experimenting without fear of breaking their setup. What people are saying. Positive feedback. Users love its reliability, the ability to replicate setups across machines, and the rollback safety net. Negative feedback. Some say the learning curve is steep, especially for those coming from traditional Linux distros. Pros. Fully reproducible system configuration. Easy rollbacks for updates or system changes. No dependency conflicts. Highly customizable for advanced setups. Cons. Steeper learning curve for beginners. Smaller community compared to mainstream distros. Not as beginner-friendly for everyday desktop use. Recommendation. So here's my take. If you're ready to invest some time learning it, NixOS offers unmatched stability and control. But if you want something plug and play, you might be better off with a more traditional distro. So let me know your thoughts on NixOS in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech reviews.